The correct sequence of the rebellions of North India against Aurangzeb is. Answer is option A, Jat, Bundela, Satnami, Sikh. Which Jat leader damaged Emperor Akbar's tomb and dug up Akbar's tomb and burnt his bones? Answer is option C, Raja Ram. Who is the creator of the Mughal text Masir-e-Alamgiri? Answer is option B, Saki Mustaid Khan. Who has called the Masir-e-Alamgiri of Saki Mustaid Khan as the gazetteer of the Mughal state? Answer is option C, Jadunath Sarkar. Just as the boil of Spain destroyed Napoleon, in the same way the boil of Deccan to Aurangzeb. Which historian has this statement? Answer is option B, Jadunath Sarkar. Which among the following Mughal painters drew the portrait of the Shah of Persia? Answer is option B, Bishan Das. Which was the first Mughal building made of pure marble? Answer is option A, Sheikh Salim Chishti's Dargah. The period of which of the following rulers is called Marble Age? Answer is option C, Shah Jahan. Which is the first building to be built entirely of marble and in which Pitra Dura was used? Answer is option D, Tomb of Itmadud Dawla. Who started Pitra Dura? Answer is option D, Jahangir. Who introduced Charbagh style of architecture in India? Answer is option B, Mughals. Who has the first Charbagh style mausoleum in India? Answer is option A, Tomb of Humayun. What is Pitra Dura? Answer is option B, flowers adorn the walls with precious stones. The Jagirdari crisis first arose during the reign of which Mughal emperor? Answer is option A, Aurangzeb. Month scale in the Mansabdari system was introduced by? Answer is option B, Jahangir. In the Mansabdari system, Du Aspa, Si Aspa was introduced by emperor? Answer is option D, Jahangir. What does Jat denote in Mansabdari system? Answer is option D, both B and C, that are rank, military responsibility. Which of the following rights a cultivator enjoyed on his own land during the Mughal period? Answer is option C, right to mortgage and gift. The land which was kept reserved for the assignment of land revenue was known as? Answer is option B, Mahal-e-Jagir. Who was the last Mughal emperor to abolish jizya tax? Answer is option A, Muhammad Shah Rangila. At the time of the death of Aurangzeb in 1707, the Mughal Empire consisted of how many Suba? Answer is option D, 21. Akbar had divided his empire into how many Suba? Answer is option C, 15. Who established a new post called Diwan-e-Wazirat-e-Kul? Answer is option A, Akbar. Who called Akbar Zil-e-Ilahi means shadow of God, and Far-e-Indi means light emanating from God? Answer is option C, Abul Fazl. Who among the following Mughal emperors was called as Darwesh or a Zinda Peer? Answer is option D, Aurangzeb. Which is considered to be the most decisive battle in the succession wars between Dara Shikoh and Aurangzeb? Answer is option B, Battle of Samugad. What was the sequence of the wars of succession in the last years of Shah Jahan's reign? Answer is option B, Bahadurpur, Dharmat, Samugad, Khajua, Devrai. Who among the following had been given the title of Sultan Buland Iqbal by Shah Jahan? Answer is option D, Dara. Who among the following had written the book Char Chaman during the reign of Shah Jahan, describing the Mughal nobility? Answer is option A, Chandrabhan Brahman. Which Mughal ruler patronized Kavindra Acharya Saraswati of Banaras, a great scholar of Sanskrit and Hindi? Answer is option C, Shah Jahan. Who among the following was the court poet during the reign of Shah Jahan? Answer is option B, Kaleem. Who among the following was not a member of Nur Jahan's junta? Answer is option B, Mahabat Khan. Babur assumed the title of Badshah at blank. Answer is option A, Kabul. Which among the following painters at Akbar's court was the son of a palanquin bearer? Answer is option C, Daswant. Who among the following was not a painter in the court of Akbar? Answer is option D, Kalyan Das. In which year did Akbar start Din-e-Ilahi? Answer is option A, 1582. Which European traveler came to India during the period of Shah Jahan? Answer is option C, Peter Mundi. Which of the following was the Emperor of India when British East India Company was formed in London? Answer is option C, Akbar. Who was the famous Jain Acharya honored by Akbar? Answer is option A, Hari Vijay Suri. Which of the following places is associated with the tomb of Jahangir? Answer is option B, Lahore. Which musical instrument was played by the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb? Answer is option B, Veena. Kabuliyat and Patta as instruments of settlement were introduced by? Answer is option A, Sher Shah. Which one of the following states of Rajputana did not accept the sovereignty of Akbar? Answer is option B, Mewar. Who built the tomb of Itmadud-Dawla in Agra? Answer is option D, Noor Jahan. Who wrote Akbarnama? Answer is option D. Abul Fazl. Who is the author of the book Tarikh-e-Dil Kusa? Answer is option C. Bhim Sen. In which fort did Aurangzeb put his father under house arrest, from where Shah Jahan died after 8 years of detention? Answer is option D. Agra Fort. To whom did Shah Jahan give the title of Malika-e-Zamani? Answer is option C. Arjumand Bano Begum, Mumtaz Mahal. What is full name of Shah Jahan? Answer is option A. Mirza Sahabuddin Beg Muhammad Khan Khurram. The first Mughal ruler to include Marathas and Afghans in the Mansabdari system was? Answer is option A. Jahangir.